Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips for your Samsung Galaxy A05s. So first, you can zoom in or zoom out by moving between these presets. And when you tap on it, you will unlock also the additional preset. But also we've got this slider, and with this slider you can smoothly zoom in or zoom out. Next, we are also able to adjust brightness level by tapping on the screen and then moving this icon to the right side or to the left side. You can also do this automatically. Next, you can also click in the right upper corner where you can adjust the color and the temperature, the filter strength. When you click on the volume up or down, you can just take the photos. And when you swipe down, you can take the series of the photos. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.